All right, so we just going and wiring this thing in. It's just a red and a red wire, which is the power wire, and a black wire, which is the ground wire. This should be kind of common sense at this point, especially if you've been watching my channel for a minute. So we're getting the T-taps and things like that put on real quick. Alright, so if you're not new to the channel, or if you're new to the channel, I already have my stuff pre-wired. Y'all already know I have my car already modified. This stuff is pretty simple for the most part. I just go in, find my wires that's to the ground, to my other sequential light that's already on there, and as simple as that. So once you get your red wire and your black wire in the right positions, then you want to go and test the wire. You don't want to put the wire, you don't want to mount your light first. You want to do this first, test it, make sure it works, because you might have to send it back, you might not have to send it back. So always test it first. So I had mine just a little too low, so I'm just redoing it real quick. I'm just moving it upward all the way to the tip. I had it, as you see right here, so it's shining still, but not as how it should. So other than that, I'm gonna show y'all the outside and everything later on tonight, man. Peace. Okay, y'all, so this light right here, I'm not sure. I got this off Temu. I'm not sure if anybody else works like this, but I do have it grounded, and I tried to pretty much route it over there. It cuts on when you don't have the car on, like the actual engine running. I tried it right here as well. Y'all see my T-taps. I tried every way possible to keep this light on while I have it running. Cause I was doing a video for y'all, which y'all gonna see previous to this, the light, when it cuts on and everything. But it only cuts on when you have, once again, it only cuts on when you have the car just in on, no engine running, just the run switch or ACC. But I had to route it to my light that goes under here. It's the interior light, it's the interior switch. Okay, so once again, I got it going to here. I kept smacking my case trying to close it, so I cut my piece off. So put a door, or I think I turn this light on, or turn the AC switch on. Let me double check. Showing y'all right here. Let's see. There you go. I see it. So it cuts on when I cut the car on, technically. So it'll always run. I technically. Oh yeah, these go to my yellow. So when this closes and it goes to yellow, that's what that light goes to. So that cuts on this light, and it's always going, which I do not like, but there's really nowhere else to route it to be honest. To reroute it and everything like that. That's the way I got it working. Once again, I got this light from Temu. It's the same light you get from Amazon, eBay, things like that. The same exact light. I'm not sure if I blew something beforehand or why it's not working, but on my end, I did everything I could. It's just not staying on when I have the car running with the lights on. Don't make no sense to me, but that's what I did. It's working for me, that's good enough. It runs all day, but these lights last years. They have I think 20 or 50,000 hours, which is a long time. The engine hours is only like 900 or something like that. These lights will take years to go out, so I'm not too concerned. It's easy to replace anyway. So, but other than that, man, it's gonna be a wrap for the video. It took longer than I thought. I started this video at 8 o'clock to do the beginning, which y'all gonna see prior to this. It's damn near 10 o'clock, almost 11 o'clock at night. So But other than that, man, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the video, smash the subscribe button, turn on all post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. It's Brother Mike Prophet. I'm out. Peace.